Back to school is better together. And this is where our Bimbi Italiani in Thailand Back to School Pizzata is happening. Join Bimbi Italiani in Bangkok on Saturday, August 29, here at Io Italian Osteria in Sukhumvit 31 for an amazing Italian lunch, new friends, connection, and an opportunities for families and children to come together. Not in Bangkok? Bring Bimbi Italiani to your city. Create your own community and bring our community events to new friends and families. And if you're in Bangkok, sign up today and join us. Cheers!